Hello, my name is Fabian Firmanda, I'm student of Technocrat University Information System major. E-Government framework refers to the conceptual framework or basic structure used to design, develop, and implement information technology solutions in the context of electronic government. E-Government, or electronic government, includes the use of information and communications technology, ICT, to increase efficiency, effectiveness, and transparency in the delivery of public services. The following are the main elements included in the e-government framework. Technology infrastructure involves developing a strong ICT infrastructure, including broadband networks, data centers, and cloud computing technology. Electronic applications and services includes the development of applications and electronic platforms that enable online public services such as government portals, document management systems, and electronic forms. Information security ensure the security of data and electronic transactions by implementing appropriate information security measures such as encryption and access controls. Society participation emphasize the involvement and active participation of the community in the decision-making process and providing feedback. Transparency ensure the availability of public information in an open, easily accessible, and understandable manner by the general public. Efficiency increase efficiency and productivity in the delivery of public services by automating administrative processes. Accountability ensure that every government action or decision can be accounted for and provide a monitoring mechanism to prevent abuse of power. Education and training provide training to government staff and the general public to increase their understanding of technology and use of e-services. Laws and policies establish a legal and policy framework that supports e-government implementation, including privacy protection and information security. The e-government framework helps governments face challenges and maximize opportunities that exist in adopting technology to improve the quality of public services and interactions with the community. As technology advances, this framework continues to evolve to remain relevant and effective. The aim of the e-government framework is to improve the quality of public service delivery through the use of information and communication technology. Some objectives specifically involve the following aspects. Administrative efficiency. Reduce bureaucracy and increase efficiency in government administrative processes by automating routine tasks and data management. Service accessibility. Providing easier and faster access for the public to various government services, whether related to education, health, licensing, and other public services. Transparency and accountability. Increase transparency in government policies and decision-making processes so that the public can more easily understand how the government operates. This can also increase the level of government accountability towards society. Society participation. Encourage active community participation in the decision-making process through participatory platforms and feedback mechanisms. Service quality. Improving the quality of public services by providing services that are faster, more efficient, and in line with community needs. E-government framework refers to the framework or conceptual structure used to design, develop, and implement information technology solutions in the context of electronic government administration. E-government itself is the concept of applying information and communication technology, ICT, to increase efficiency, effectiveness, and transparency in the delivery of public services. This framework consists of several key components, including technology infrastructure that includes networks, data centers, and cloud computing. Electronic applications and services are also an important part, including public service portals, document management systems, and electronic forms. Information security is the main focus for protecting data and online transactions. The principles underlying the e-government framework involve public participation, transparency, efficiency, and accountability. The public is invited to actively participate in decision-making, while the government is expected to provide information openly, increase the efficiency of administrative processes, and ensure accountability in every action. Even though it has great potential, the implementation of e-government is also faced with challenges such as data security and privacy, as well as a lack of digital literacy among the public. To overcome this, solutions include implementing high security standards, educating the public regarding technology, and building supporting infrastructure. The e-government framework consists of several main components that work together to achieve electronic government goals. First, technological infrastructure includes network, data center, and cloud computing aspects which provide the foundation to support digital services. Second, electronic applications and services include the development of public service portals, document management systems, and electronic forms to facilitate interaction between the government and the public. Third, information security is crucial for protecting data and online transactions, ensuring privacy and information integrity. E-government implementation brings a number of significant benefits. First, administrative efficiency can be improved through automation of routine processes and better data management. Second, accessibility of public services becomes easier and faster with online services. Third, transparency and accountability can be increased through providing open information and clearer accountability. Fourth, community participation can be increased by providing a platform for direct involvement in decision-making. The e-government framework is a key instrument in improving the quality and efficiency of public service delivery. However, challenges persist, including the evolution of technology, the need to maintain security and privacy, and ensuring digital inclusion at all levels of society. By continuing to develop and refine this framework, the government can meet the challenges and exploit the full potential of the digital revolution in public services. Indicators of the success of the e-government framework can be grouped into three categories, namely, technical success, which measures technical aspects of the e-government framework, such as infrastructure availability, system reliability, and data security. Operational success, which measures operational aspects of the e-government framework, such as the efficiency and effectiveness of public services. Strategic success, which measures the strategic impact of the e-government framework, such as increasing government transparency and accountability, increasing citizen participation, and increasing economic competitiveness. Stakeholders in e-government framework evaluation. The e-government framework aims to bring a number of benefits, such as increasing administrative efficiency, accessibility of public services, transparency, and community empowerment. Through the application of information technology, governments can achieve these goals, improve the quality of services, and strengthen the relationship between government and citizens. Overall, the e-government framework is a key instrument that supports positive transformation in the delivery of public services, bringing government closer to its citizens and creating a more efficient, open, and actively engaged ecosystem. In conclusion, the e-government framework is a conceptual foundation that guides the design and implementation of information technology solutions in the administration of electronic government. By integrating technological infrastructure, electronic applications and services, as well as principles such as public participation, transparency, efficiency, and accountability, this framework aims to improve the quality and effectiveness of public services. Through the implementation of e-government, the government can achieve various goals, including increased administrative efficiency, better accessibility of public services, transparency, and community participation. Information security is also a key focus, ensuring that data and online transactions are properly protected. Despite challenges such as data security and privacy, as well as people's digital literacy, the solutions implemented in this framework involve high security standards, public education, and building a robust infrastructure. Successful case studies such as the implementation of e-government in Estonia show that by implementing this framework, the government can achieve a positive transformation in the delivery of public services, creating a more engaged, efficient, and digitally connected society. However, while e-government provides significant benefits, future challenges involve the continued evolution of technology and the need to ensure digital inclusion across all levels of society. Therefore, continuing to develop and improve this framework is very important so that the government can face challenges and achieve the full potential of the digital era in the delivery of public services. Thus, the e-government framework is an essential strategic foundation for achieving a more modern, efficient, and open government. In drawing conclusions about the e-government framework, several key points can be emphasized. First, the e-government framework is the basic structure that guides the application of information technology in public services. It includes technological infrastructure, electronic applications and services, as well as principles such as citizen participation, transparency, and efficiency. Second, the aim of this framework is to increase administrative efficiency, accessibility of public services, and community involvement. By integrating technology, governments can provide better and faster services to citizens. Third, information security is the main focus to protect data and online transactions. In facing challenges such as security and digital literacy, the solutions implemented include high security standards and public education. Fourth, successful case studies such as the implementation of e-government in Estonia show that this framework can achieve positive transformation in the delivery of public services. The implementation of ED and e-residency in Estonia is an example of how e-government can change the way the government interacts with society. However, future challenges involve the evolution of technology and the need to ensure digital inclusion. Continuing to develop and improve this framework is very important so that the government can achieve the full potential of the digital era in public services. Overall, the e-government framework is not only a technological instrument but also a representation of the vision of an efficient, open, and digitally connected government. By implementing its principles, governments can achieve positive transformation that supports better public services.